infrared 850 nanometers converted Canon 1100D setup and tutorial. Canon 1100D converted to 850 nanometer infrared spectrum. The advantage of this conversion is that the camera can produce very nice black and white images. It has everything that we need to do to set white balance to a gray card and shoot. To use custom white balance, we need to take a picture first, using a gray card, white paper, grass, or anything that we want to be white on our pictures. Focus hunting in live view mode is normal for this model. Then we go to the Custom White Balance, second tab, and press OK. Sometimes it can give an error, saying that it can't obtain information from the image. However, it'll actually set the white balance that we want. Now we leave the live mode and choose white balance setting with the down arrow button. Choose the icon with two small triangles. Notice I'm taking pictures in live view mode because here the camera can autofocus correctly in infrared with any lens and any focal lengths. Also, to make pictures black and white, you can go to Picture Style and choose a monochrome option. Of course, if you install Magic Lantern, then you would have more controls. What's the advantage of this camera? Well, there are many cheap zoom lenses for this camera. For example, the 55 to 250 millimeters.